Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the sound of English. And for example, the letter A, it's not A in English. This letter can have other sounds. For example, the letter A can have, for example, car. Car we write with A, but in this word, the the letter the letter is the sound's not A but R. For example, another word, air. Air. This word, air. There is no the same sound. It's not A. You know. The, and for example, fat. Fat. It writes with A, but the sound is A. So this there are some words and lots of words in English that writes with A, but the sound's not A. It changes, depends of the word. Okay. If you like this video, give me your like and subscribe. Okay. And keep 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 participating from this class. Okay. Um, I'm from Brasilia. My number is 0661. But if you would like to call me or send me a message, you can call me by 041 61 983 02 53 43. Okay. God bless you and see you next class. This was an introduction of the sounds, the resume of the class. Okay. We'll continue in another class. Okay. Have a good day. Bye.